Namaste, dear students. Uh, in my last class, we studied about VI characteristics of semiconductor diode, and we will get a nonlinear curves in both forward and reverse characteristics up to new voltage, small current, and then after that linear characteristics. And in reverse bias voltage also there is a small leakage current flows, which is a constant voltage up to breakdown voltage. Once the junction breaks, once again a heavy current flows through the diode. Okay. So, this is particularly we say this is a non-linear curve, it is not a straight line. Voltage is current to the diode is not linearly varying with the voltage, it is not proportionally varying with the voltage, therefore, it is a non-linear curve. Okay. Anyhow, simple Ohm's law will not hold good for the diode current, and here the relation between the voltage and current in the case of p-n junction diode is known by Shockley's equation. Okay. Shockley's, William Shockley, you know the name of William Shockley. See, this is the inventor of a transistor, the name of the scientist who invented transistor, Shockley, and he gave the relationship between voltage across the diode and current to the diode, and he said that current to the diode ID is equal to Is into e to the power Vd divided by eta Vt, Vd divided by eta Vt minus 1. Okay. So, this is exponential e to the power 2.768. So, this is the value, the constant value. ID here, ID is the diode current, ID is the diode current, Is is the reverse saturation current, okay, and Vd diode voltage across the diode, Vd is the voltage across the diode, and eta is emission coefficient, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಎಮಿಸಿ ಪವರ್ ಎಮಿಷನ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಬರೋದು ಈ ಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಎಮಿಷನ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಟಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಫಾರ್ ಸಿಲಿಕಾನ್ and eta equal to 2 for germanium below knee voltage. knee voltage ಗಿಂತ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇದು coefficients 1 for silicon, 2 for germanium. Above knee voltage eta equal to 1 for silicon and germanium above knee voltage, knee voltage ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ eta ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಬಿಲೋ ನೀ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಆದರೆ ಈಟಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ 2 ಫಾರ್ ಜರ್ಮೇನಿಯಂ, ಈಟಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ 1 ಫಾರ್ ಸಿಲಿಕಾನ್. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ Vt ಈಸ್ ಥರ್ಮಲ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಥರ್ಮಲ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು Vt ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು kT by Q, K is Boltzmann constant, ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬಹುದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. K is Boltzmann constant and T is temperature in Kelvin. T ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ T, ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಇನ್ ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್, ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. T ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 25 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 273 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಅರೌಂಡ್ 290 ಈ ರೇಂಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್. Q ಇಸ್ ದ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್. Okay. So, this is diode current equation. So, this is not similar to Ohm's law. Diode current ID is equal to Is into e to the power ವಿ ಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಈಟಾ ವಿ ಟಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 1. ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಇ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ವಿ ಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಈಟಾ ವಿ ಟಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 1, ಇದು ಹೋಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1. ಪವರ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ವಿ ಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಈಟಾ ವಿ ಟಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 1. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಶಾಕ್ಲೀಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್, ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ ಡಯೋಡ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್. Diode current equation. Okay, this is very very important. This is very very important. Okay, next move on to resistance. Diode resistance, forward resistance of the diode. Forward resistance of the diode. Next, forward resistance of the diode. Forward resistance of the diode. Okay, there are two types of resistance. Forward resistance is the resistance of the resistance offered by the diode to the flow of a forward current. Okay, resistance offered by the diode, resistance offered by the diode to the flow of forward current. To the flow of forward current. ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಕರೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಡಯೋಡ್ ಆಫರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಇರಲಿ ಅದು ಅದರದ್ದು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, there are two types of forward resistances in diode. First one, static resistance. Static resistance, it is denoted by RD, static resistance RD, and second one is dynamic resistance. Second one is dynamic resistance of the diode. Dynamic resistance RD, dynamic resistance of the diode. It is also known as RAC. Okay, this is RDC. ಹೀಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ RAC, RDC. Let us see one by one. Static resistance. What is static resistance of a diode? It is the resistance offered by the diode, for the applied DC signal, offered by the diode for direct current. DC ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ಗೆ ಆಫರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಆಫರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಡಯೋಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಡೈನಾಮಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿನೋಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ RD or RDC. How do you calculate static resistance? Static resistance of the diode is calculated like this: DC resistance. So take one VI characteristic curve, VF along x axis, IF along y axis. Now select, see, to get the static resistance, significant amount of current should flow through the diode, and for that you have to take the curve after new voltage. New voltage ಗಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಯಾವಾಗ ಕರ್ವ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಅದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಯಾವುದೇ ನೀವು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಹೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ junction will not allow a sufficient amount of current to flow through it. So after the voltage only there is a significant amount of current. So therefore you have to take you have to calculate any resistance, okay, after cut-in voltage or in the linear region of its characteristics. Select any one point in the current, note down the corresponding voltage, forward voltage Vf. Okay. Now take the ratio. Rd is equal to dynamic resistance is equal to ratio of forward voltage to the forward current Vf divided by If. So it is measured in ohms. Ohms alli adanna measure ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Okay. Vf divided by If. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್. Okay. So this care should be taken that you are not going to select any points below knee voltage. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೈನಾಮಿಕ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. Second one is dynamic resistance. Dynamic resistance Rd. So this is resistance offered by the diode for alternating current. For the applied AC signal. Okay. ಡಯೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಸಿ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದು ಡೈನಾಮಿಕ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿ ಸಿಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು? ಡಿ ಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಎ ಸಿಗೆ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದು ಆಫರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಡೈನಾಮಿಕ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಡೈನಾಮಿಕ್ ಅದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್, ಇದು ಡೈನಾಮಿಕ್. ಡೈನಾಮಿಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್, ಡೈನಾಮಿಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿ ಆರ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೈನಾಮಿಕ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ. ಯೂಶಲಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿ. ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್. Select linear region of its characteristics. Usually this tangent is drawn or illustrate in linear region of its characteristics. Okay. Take area voltage variation. So idu linear region of its characteristics. ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನೀವು ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕರ್ವ್ನ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ, ಇದೊಂದು ಕರ್ವ್ ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟನ್ನು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೀಗೆ. ಇದು ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ತೀಟ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ನ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಈ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು ಬಿ ಸಿ, ಈ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಇದು ವಿ ಎಫ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗೋದು ಯಾವುದು? ವಿ ಎಫ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ವಿ ಎಫ್. This is delta Vf. Delta Vf ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Forward variation in forward voltage. Okay. Now the length, the side AB represents, this represents ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ IF. This is IF forward current. This line represents AB. The side represents delta IF. Change the corresponding change in forward current. Delta Vf, the side BC represents variation in forward voltage, and delta If, the side AB represents variation in forward current IF. Okay, delta IF, VA delta VF and delta IF forward current. Now, how do you calculate the dynamic resistance? See, it is dynamic resistance RD is equal to 1 by, it is the reciprocal of slope, it is a reciprocal of slope of the VA characteristic curve, RD equal to 1 by slope. What is slope? Slope is equal to 1 divided by slope. Slope is y by x, y by x. So, that is delta IF divided by delta VF. So, 1 by slope, this is slope, that is delta VF divided by delta IF, delta VF by delta I. So, RD equal to delta VF divided by delta IF, delta VF by delta IF, dynamic resistance. So, dynamic resistance is the reciprocal of slope. Yake calculate ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, it is a, if you take the reciprocal of slope, you will get the dynamic resistance, RD equal delta VF by delta IF. So, once again its unit remains same, that is ohms only. So, it is measured in ohms. Okay. Now, we have seen two types of resistances, static resistance and dynamic resistance. The definitions of these two resistances are very, very important. Okay. Next, move on to the dynamic resistance. Next thing is about the resistance offered by the diode in the reverse biased condition. In the reverse biased condition, anyhow, the current through the diode is very small. That indicates it offers very high resistance. Almost a current, the significant current is almost 0. There is current due to minority charge carriers, and that is not a significant value. So, anyhow, in the reverse biasing condition, diode offers very high resistance. Okay. Next, diode approximations. Diode approximations. Diode anna ಒಂದು approximate circuit ಆಗಿ ನೋಡುವಂತದ್ದು. Okay. First time there are three approximations in PN junction diode. First approximation of the diode. First approximation of the PN junction diode, or this is the approximation of this is also known as ideal diode. First approximation alli diode anna ideal diode anta ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ideal diode. So, in first approximation, diode conducts when it is under forward biased condition. Okay, it conducts when it is under forward biased condition. So, if this is a PN junction diode, it acts as short circuit. It acts as short circuit, P region, N region. It acts as short circuit, short under forward bias. Okay. And open, it acts as open circuit under reverse bias condition. So, forward bias condition short circuit allows the current. As soon as it is under forward bias condition, it allows the current. It will not wait for the knee voltage. There is no knee voltage. ಅಲ್ಲಿ junction immediate ಆಗಿ, okay, from 0 volt up to, from 0 volt onwards. So, VI characteristics of the first approximation of ideal diode is like this, VF. Okay, there is no forward knee voltage, it conducts during forward bias condition, and the current through the diode is 0, IR is 0 under reverse biased condition. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ಗಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆರ್ ಸಾರಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಝೀರೋ, ಐ ಆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಝೀರೋ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಬಟ್ ಝೀರೋ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರೆಂಟಲ್ಲೇ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಝೀರೋ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆಸ್ ಸೂನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಯಾಸ್ಡ್, heavy current flows, and in the reverse biased condition zero current, no, it blocks the current, so acts as open circuit. Okay, this condition is, so there is no barrier potential or no knee voltage. Knee voltage is zero, no knee voltage, zero knee voltage ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೇ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಡಯೋಡ್ ಕಡೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಷನ್. ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿಗೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ knee voltage ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅದರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಬಾಡಿ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಡಯೋಡ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಷನ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಡಯೋಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಯೋಡ್? It acts as short circuit under forward bias condition and it acts as open circuit under reverse bias condition. It conducts as soon as it is forward biased and it will not conduct under reverse biased condition. Current is zero in reverse biased condition. Okay, this is first approximation of the PN junction diode. Next, second approximation. Second approximation of a diode. Okay, it is a simple equivalent circuit. It is a simple equivalent circuit. In second approximation of the diode, we are considering the knee voltage of the diode. Okay, it is not full approximation. We are considering a simple knee voltage of the diode. So, consider an ideal diode. Consider an ideal diode and with a knee voltage of the diode. So, to forward bias diode you have to apply minimum of barrier potential. So, VB you have to apply, this is ideal diode. Okay, it acts as short circuit. So, this power supply we are considering a series power supply of VB. Barrier potential VB is the barrier potential. Okay, it is not breakdown voltage, it is the barrier potential. So, it acts as short circuit. It acts as short circuit P region, N region, with the applied voltage is above knee voltage, above break barrier potential. It acts as short circuit. Short when applied voltage is above knee voltage. So, VB indicates the knee voltage. It acts as open circuit. It acts as open circuit when diode is reverse biased. Okay, open circuit when reverse bias, open when it is reverse biased. So, this is therefore, this is a simple approximation of the diode. We are considering the knee voltage of the diode. So, its VI characteristics is slightly like this: forward voltage. So, up to forward voltage current to the diode is very small, 0, I forward voltage is 0, and when VB you will get a sharp increase in current. After VB there is no variation, slanting illa, alli slope illa, slope is 0, slope 0 alli straight line parallel to y axis, sharp increase in current. So, after the voltage current increases sharply. Okay. Next, in reverse biased condition, okay, reverse biased condition will get to 0 reverse current. Reverse bias alli already ideal diode hage ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Okay. We are not considering the leakage current. Okay. This is second approximation of the diode. In second approximation, we are considering a series barrier potential power supply V B. Okay. Next, in the third approximation of the diode, see third approximation of the diode, we will see it is not parallel to y axis. In the VI characteristic curve, it is not parallel to y axis. See, this is the usual curve like this, it is not parallel to y axis. There is a slope, and the extra drop is the reason for that slope, and that drop is the voltage drop across the diode due to the body resistance. An extra resistance is there to drop a small voltage. Therefore, in the third approximation of the diode, we are considering an ideal diode together with a barrier potential with a series resistance RF, series resistance, forward resistance RF. So, it acts as short circuit, when it is under forward bias condition after knee voltage. After knee voltage, there is sharp increase in current, acts as short after knee voltage, and it is reverse biased, acts as open circuit when reverse biased. So, current is 0. Okay. So, in the third approximation of the diode, you will get the curve like this. Okay. In reverse bias condition, 0 current. So, this is VR, IR is 0, IF. This is third approximation of the diode. So, third approximationally, the barrier potential VB together with the forward resistance RF anna consider ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Therefore, voltage across the diode in forward bias condition, voltage across the diode is equal to sum of barrier potential plus, if IF is the current, the another drop across the P N junction, VD equal VB plus IF into RF. This is the voltage drop across the diode. Okay. So, these are the three approximations of the diode. Hope you understand the approximations. In the first approximation, ideal diode. In the second approximation, barrier potential is in series, and third approximation, some resistance is there in series with the barrier potential. Therefore, we will get a slope in the curve. Okay. Thank you very much.